Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we bring you this amazing video of Davido and Wizkid as they finally party together in the same club following their reconciliation recently. They party alongside Marvin's Records singer, songwriter and rapper Ladipoe and also DJ Tunes. Watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification, like, share and drop your comment right in the comment section because your thoughts and views are very like to hear from you what you feel about this video. Do you think their friendship will last forever, or you think this friendship is just something that will last for a short while and they will go back to their former self, given to the fact that fans always pitch them against each other, comparing their net worth, biography and also sometimes comparing their hit songs. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification, like, share and drop your comments right in the comment section. Your thoughts